Flex manufacture products that are in touch with people's life every day.
We are a global manufacturing partner of choice for our customers, designing, building, and supporting products that improve the world.
With operation in more than 30 countries, we needed a solution that is fast, reliable, and secure.
We were looking for a very easy-to-use platform that will not require any training at all. And this is what we got with Zoom.
Zoom simplifies the communication across different countries, different time zones. You can be on a conversation on your computer, transfer this to your cell phone, you have access to your chat history, to whiteboards, you can use your Zoom phone extension. It really makes the difference when you have to be on the move. This collaboration happens across tens of thousands of employees using Team Chat every day. And recently, we completed our migration to Zoom Phone. Zoom Phone enhanced the experience for the people at the production line. Instead of just having a phone extension, with the Zoom client out of the box on a mobile device, they can join meetings, they can use Team Chat, they can open documents instead of going back to their station and optimizing their time on the floor.
The migration to Zoom Phone was able to reduce our infrastructure total cost of ownership. And the service uptime and the service reliability is up super high.
Hey, how are you today?
Hey, doing good.
So I'm going to the office in a couple of hours and I have to meet you there. I already made a reservation for the workspace. Can I see you there in like an hour and a half from now?
Sure, meet you there.
Our industry is going into an evolution. We are also excited to have a partner like Zoom that keeps also evolving.
Supporting the communication and collaboration among our employees and partners, we can get things resolved quickly. Through a good communication channel, decisions are made faster.
It just works. That's, I think, one of the pieces that we like the most from Zoom. Just works.